Today we're unboxing the Roger Advantage from On Running. Tennis icon Roger Federer partnered with Swiss shoe manufacturer On Running to create a classic sneaker with all the advantages of modern technology. With the clean lines and fresh look, we are absolutely loving this shoe. The Advantage includes On's patented Speedboard midsole, which aids in maximizing energy return. It also includes a durable vegan leather upper with a mesh liner. The outsole is made of a concealed cloud tech that gives the performance while keeping the cleanliness of the silhouette. Together, all of these elements make the shoe extremely lightweight on your feet.